Gujarat is the only state in India which has the longest coastline. It has 34 districts, starting from south to north. Valsad, largest mango producer, home to Tithal Beach, famous for the traditional dish umbriu and the birthplace of former Prime Minister Morarji Desai. Navsari, home to the Unai Mata Temple, a historic center of the Parsi community, birthplace of Jamsetji Tata, and known for its GI tagged Amalsad Chiku. Tang, known for the Saputara Hills and Lakes, the scenic Gira Falls and tribal heritage. Tapi, named after the Tapi River, home to the massive Ukai Dam and a major sugarcane producer. Surat, first landing point of the British East India Company in 1608, a major diamond hub, a leading silk textile manufacturing center, one of India's cleanest cities with over 120 bridges, and famous for local delicacies like Surti Locho and Surti Ghari. Bharuch, chemical capital of India, famous for its roasted salty peanuts, and known for GI tagged Sujni weaving. Narmada, home to the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, built on the Narmada River near the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Chota Udaipur, tribal heartland of Gujarat, known for GI tagged Pithora painting practiced by the Rathwa tribe. Vadodara, land of the majestic Lakshmi Vilas Palace, vibrant Navratri Garba celebrations, famous for Sev Usal and known for GI tagged Sankheda furniture. Anand, known for the white revolution that led to the creation of the famous Indian dairy brand Amul. Kheda, land of the Ranchhod Rai temple and the birthplace of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Panchmahal features the UNESCO World Heritage Site Champaner Pavagad Archaeological Park and the Kalika Mata temple situated atop Pavagad Hill. Dahod, a leading producer of maize and the birthplace of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Mahisagar, where the Mahi River flows and home to the Kaleshwari group of monuments. Aravali features the Sri Shamlaji Vishnu Mandir and the Aravali Ranges. Sabarkantha, known for the lush polo forest and the historic Idar Fort. Gandhinagar, the capital city of Gujarat, home to Akshardham Temple and the Adalaj Stepwell, the state's political hub and an emerging financial center with Gift City. Ahmedabad, home to Sabarmati Ashram, a major textile hub, has Lothal, one of the world's earliest dockyards, known for the world's largest cricket stadium and famous for street foods like dhokla, fafda and khakra. Botad features the famous Kashtbhanjan Hanuman temple and is one of the largest producers of groundnut and cotton. Bhavnagar houses the world's largest shipbreaking yard, a major diamond industry hub, and features the sacred Palitana Jain temples. Amreli, Gir National Park, Asiatic Lions, Pipavav Port, India's first private sector port. Gir Somnath, land of the first of the 12 sacred Jyotirlingas, the Somnath temple, and Bhalka Tirth, the site where Lord Krishna is believed to have been mistakenly hit by a hunter's arrow before leaving his human form. Junagadh, known for Girnar Hills, featuring the Amba Mata temple, Jain Derasar temples, and GI tagged Kesar mangoes. Porbandar, hub of fishing and seafood export industry and the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. Devbhoomi Dwarka, land of the sacred Dwarkadhish temple and Nageshwar Jyotirlinga temple. Jamnagar houses the world's largest oil refinery and is known for Bandhani textiles and local dry fruit kachori. Morbi, India's largest ceramic manufacturer, producing mainly floor, wall, and vitrified tiles. Rajkot, a major engineering and jewelry hub, also known for manufacturing precision parts for watches. Surendranagar houses the Chamunda Mata temple on Chotila Hill, is a major hub for cotton production and the largest salt producer in the country. Patan, renowned for its intricate architecture, the Rani Ni Vav, and famous for Patola silk saris. Mahesana features the Modhera Sun temple, Ajitnath Jain temple, and is the birthplace of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Banaskantha, one of the largest producers of potatoes and home to one of the Shakti Pithas, the Ambaji temple. Vautharad, the newest district carved out of Banaskantha district. Kutch, India's largest district in terms of area, home to the Ran of Kutch, the Sri Swaminarayan temple Bhuj, and known for its GI tagged shawl, Rogan art, Ajrak, and dates. Comment your thoughts and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.